It's a 2017 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. EcoBoost engine, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless audio streaming, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, Sync Services Wi-Fi hotspot, voice activation, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. Hurry in today for a test drive.
We're conveniently located at 3400 Highway 61 North in White Bear Lake, Minnesota.